Hello and welcome to my channel, Design by Josephine and Josee. Today's video is an elegant summertime tablescape video. Now, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous. It is elegant and also sophisticated. So before I share all of the details of today's tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. Please be sure to check out all of my social media links down below in the description box. And now, let me go ahead and get started on the tour of the table. So I always start with a beautiful tablecloth. This tablecloth have beautiful floral design and pattern, and it goes really well with the tablescape. So this beautiful, exquisite tablescape is all about floral elements and floral design. As you can see, the chinaware that I have here, the dinnerware that I have is vintage. It is absolutely gorgeous with floral elements as well. The table is all about elegant summer, and this is the perfect tablescape for a summer dinner party that is all about having an elegant touch with crystal elements. And like I have mentioned, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the floral arrangement matches really nicely with the tablescape. I love how this floral arrangement came together. It just looks so beautiful, and it goes really well with the tablecloth and also the dinnerware as well. It adds a whimsical touch to the tablescape. I also created smaller floral arrangements from side to side, and I also think that the floral arrangements from each side of the table look absolutely gorgeous as well. As you can see, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for a summertime dinner party. So if you want to get inspiration or you want to copy this tablescape, you can. I have more tablescape videos. I'll be linking them down below in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed today's tablescape video. And like I have mentioned before, this tablescape is all about the floral elements and crystal elements as well. I have used this beautiful vintage plate that is just absolutely gorgeous with this beautiful charger plate that really elevates the tablescape with the beautiful tablecloth.